What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be giving a Bitcoin analysis, this time a more long-term analysis of what Bitcoin's price is doing on the long-term charts. As you can see, I have the weekly chart set up here. The weekly chart gives a more broader view of what Bitcoin's price has been doing throughout the years. The weekly candles, in fact, take longer to reflect in price than, say, the 1 hour and the 4 hour charts that I show you guys on a daily basis. So just keep that in mind. Pricing does take longer to reflect on this particular chart that I have set up for you guys right now, but nonetheless you do see movement over time. As you can see, we go back all the way to at least 2019, 2018, around that area, man. As you can see on the chart, it shows you that Bitcoin is actually over the years trading in this upward trajectory, as of course we had dips throughout the years. We've taken many dips. We've seen many parabolic phases as well. But as you can see on the bottom trend line on that third touch point, Bitcoin, that's where we're currently at. We're at that $63,259 price point. We have taken a slight dip over the past few days. That is normal in the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is an extremely volatile asset, so you always have to proceed with caution when you monitor or even trade Bitcoin. As you can see, drawn in that channel with the green marker, there is a possibility that, in my prediction, that we do bounce off that line of support on the bottom trend line, the blue trend line. That is a possibility. We could take a slight dip even further. So I would have to adjust that trend line to just adjust the trend line in order to see that. But as you can see, I do hope not, but you know, again, Bitcoin's price is volatile. I do hope that we could bounce off that trend line and make our way up slowly but surely up to that top trend line, which will bring us over that 100,000 mark. But there is a lot going on in the world of Bitcoin and the economics, just the broader economic world. The crypto legislation, which is a huge bill for cryptocurrencies moving forward, has a lot of progression. There's still a lot of things being legislated on that particular bill, not passed yet, but there's a lot of work being done. So that is very crucial to the price of Bitcoin. You also have a lot of conflict in the Middle East. Nothing new per se, but there is a lot of conflict and tension over there, which can reflect the price as well. You have a lot of other systems, smaller systems in play that also reflect the price of Bitcoin, so just keep that in mind. There's a lot of volatility, man, a lot of volatility. Bitcoin is a very volatile asset. Proceed with caution when using or monitoring or even trading Bitcoin. As you can see on the top of that trend line, the orange arrow indicates that we could see a parabolic phase. The bottom trend orange arrow below that bottom trend line indicates we can go even further down. In my prediction, I don't think we will on the 1 week chart. I do believe we can bounce off that bottom trend line and keep making our way up. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on the long-term analysis for Bitcoin on the weekly chart. What do you guys think? Are you seeing the same setup? Are you looking at your analysis in a different way? Just let me know. There's different ways how people view technical analysis, so it's always good to know your interpretation and your opinion. Please like, share, and subscribe, and you guys have a good rest of your day.